Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to perfectly connect Google Gemini to YouTube Music on your iPhone or Android device. Gemini is a highly rated AI assistant that boasts a wide range of capabilities such as generating top-notch images on demand, writing emails, editing articles, and more. Notably, you can also connect Gemini to YouTube Music in order to play, search, and discover your favorite songs, artists, playlists, and more. That said, let me show you how it's done the quick way. So first we have to launch the Gemini app on your iPhone or the Android device. And then you have to tap on your profile located at the top right corner of the screen. After that, choose Connected Apps option to proceed. Then you have to scroll down to find YouTube Music and enable the toggle located right next to it. When prompted for confirmation, make sure to tap on the connect button in the pop-up to give your consent and you're all set. Going forward, you can access and manage items from YouTube Music like your playlist, playback history, and preferences with utmost ease. However, keep in mind that Gemini can share parts of your conversation and other relevant info with YouTube Music, and which may be used to improve its services and personalize your YouTube Music experience. When Gemini uses other apps, your YouTube Music content may be shared if it's included in your conversation. So make sure to keep this important thing in your mind while using this pretty cool feature. And I'll catch you in the next one.